Hi guys, today I'll be looking up prompts in ChatGPT in a reference of Notre Dame Cathedral prior to the fire they had, and also I'll be going through to see when they completed it, what different things. I'll be showing you everything in Leonardo AI, what I do with the prompts, etc. So I hope you enjoy this, and you can get Leonardo for free, roughly 150 credits a day as of this date of December 6, 2024. Things can change later. I'm using the free version, and I'll be paying for a new version. I did this years ago with other AI systems, and now I'll be doing it in Leonardo AI. So have a great day. I appreciate. Please like and subscribe. And I thank you to all of my subscribers. Have a great day. Stay healthy and safe. Take care. For 120 photos of Notre Dame Cathedral prior to fire and after the fire. Here's a composition of list of 20 prompts for photos of Notre Dame Cathedral, focusing on its state before and after the fire of 2019. These prompts cover both its historical magnificence and aftermath of disaster. So I come down the list, and I'll be taking these and placing them over into Leonardo AI. I'll pick up the photos, and then this came down after the fire. And that's about it for now. Okay, we'll see you later. And we're going to move on. And let's go pick up Leonardo AI. And here's where I'd come into the image generations. I have 8,490. You can get Leonardo AI for free if you choose. All right. I'm on a monthly plan, and I'll be taking out the yearly plan shortly. And you can get 150 credits on the free plan. So if you'd like to see that, take a look at it. And I'll have here's the link to it. AP one by one. So our width is 624, the height is 624. Brings me up to 1092 by 1092 for an output. And we're doing this in Alchemy, the Alchemy unit, and Leonardo Kino XL V2 version. And it's photo real. And I placed it over here in cinematic. I could have brought it down to others, but bokeh, long exposure, macro, whatever I'd like it here, or vibrant. Well, let's go with the cinematic. We're going to do this with 4 number images. And we're going to generate this. That's my prompt up here. Now we're going to see if we can improve the prompts. You're not changing the model. Oh, yes, you can. I guess the model would be the Leonardo Kino XL. Not sure on that, but anyways, here's another one. Let's generate it this way. Cathedral, that's a little kind of messed up. We'll leave it there for others to see what's going on. Here's some I tried earlier. Be careful. I'd rather have them tall like this. This way I think I can place it into the shorts versions on YouTube. And I'm going to take this out. I'm going to cut this. We're going to go back over to the wallpapers. Take that prompt that I did in ChatGPT. This is in here. And we'll generate that. Let's just try to improve the prompt. And generate that as well. Number 3. Paste it in there. Let it run. The prompt. Let's see what we've been coming up with. Wow. It's a nice photo there, not bad. It's pretty nice. That was the improved prompt. That was the beginning. This is the improved. Excuse me. Unbelievable. The beauty. They're beautiful pictures. What a cathedral. Go through these and I'll pick out which ones I'm putting in the final product. Just showing everybody what I've been coming up with. If you're interested or not. Cool. Wow. When I was younger, probably about 13 years old, I was up the Eiffel Tower with my mother and grandmother to visit my aunt and uncle, my godparents, and my cousins that were in the Air Force. Great opportunity to visit Europe. Oh man, focusing on the reconstruction and completion of Notre Dame Cathedral after the fire, capturing the spirit of restoration and renewed glory of the historic landmark. These would be the prompts that I would be using. I'll be copying them, each one at a time, placing each prompt into Leonardo AI. Only a few more left here. Okay, guys, that's it for now. See more vibrant colors for some reason. I think it's because of the fact that it's from when the fire started, I believe, in 2019, And these are probably in 2024. Differences in cameras and lenses. But that's a beautiful photo right here. Very nice. Excellent. Look at those. Tremendous. Look at this. I'm not sure when I was 13 years old whether my uncle took me there or not. With my mother and grandmother. I can't recall, but I remember the Eiffel Tower and other things in Paris. Maybe I was interested in other things. I had no clue.